In this video, we're going to show you how to navigate through a design. In this case, we have a 4-color design, has 3,797 stitches. To navigate through the design, we can do it by color. If we want to go to, let's say, color number 2, and the machine will tell you here on the top, it has 4 colors, so we have 1 through 4. We go to set, we click OK, and it moves to the beginning of color number 3, in this case stitch 2662, or we can also punch in the stitch number that we want to navigate to. 3000. We go to the main screen just to check it, goes to stitch 3000, it happens to be in the middle of that word. We go back to the same feature, and at the bottom you can also see that you have numbers +1, +10, +100. That's the number of stitches that you want to advance to, or at the bottom you can go back 1, 10, or 100 consecutively.